Mvula kaMafako. Oh, Mayine, we can't say asimculi kanethi uMayine. Yamadoda, good morning. Igama lami ndingubhuti. Siyabulisa ngegama lika baby. Tibulisa ngegama lika baby. Igama lami ndingubhuti ndikunolali wegungqayi Princess Morning. Princess Morning. That's how I greet you today. Princess Morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Tibulisa ngegama lika baby. Tibulisa ngegama lika Princess Faku. Unobhala. No. Usihlalo mtsha weGqubuzana region. The biggest region in the country ekhokhelwe ngumbutho we-African National Congress. Sisenkoveni ke madoda, silapha eRhubu, sivuka uPrincess ephinde wabuya. Namandla manje uPrincess. Ncamini. Unamandla uPrincess. Sivuka ebuye wangu sihlalo walapha eRhubusane without any contestation. Princess Faku has returned to her throne as the regional chairperson of the Khubusane region in the Eastern Cape, the biggest region of the Eastern Cape, the second biggest in the country in South Africa for the ANC. If I can tell you now, Princess is, she's the gold, she's the treasure of the ANC. She's the biggest politician, woman, in the local politics when it comes to the ANC. Congratulations to Faku. Congratulations to Princess Faku. Without any contestation, she returned to her throne. Now, when it comes to the other four positions, Deputy Chairperson, Secretary, Deputy Secretary, and Treasury, those are still to be discussed. What happened yesterday, around 11, without any contestation, two names came forward, Vuyo Jali and Princess Faku, for the regional chairperson position. Then Vuyo Jali, who is the current ANC chairperson, ANC Youth League chairperson, humbly rejected or declined the nomination for the regional chairperson of Khubusane, and that automatically makes Princess Faku the new chairperson. Fortunately or unfortunately, there was no further nomination from the floor, which takes us to Deputy Chair, Secretary, Deputy Chair, Secretary, and the Treasury. At the moment, we are to elect. The most interesting position for me will be the one of the Secretary. Mbasa Saki, Lizo, I don't know his surname, and Antonio Carlos. I obviously want Mbasa Saki to be the to be the Secretary. Unfortunately, it's not likely to happen because there is unity. Kuthethathethwene apha kwavunyelwana. Siyavumelana, siyavumela, sithethi into enye. Yamadoda bavumelene into yokubana uPrincess makahlale esikhundleni sakhe, uAntonio abuye ahlale esikhundleni sakhe. That's what will happen. But ke lame person, umuntu normal njengam nawe, will think that was democratic, that was a decision of the delegates, blah, blah, blah. But the ANC, nationally, provincially, they have intervened and they've decided that, no. Makahlale, Princess endaweni yakhe, makahlale Anto endaweni yakhe. I think the changes that we will see, it's only the Deputy Chairperson, the Deputy Secretary, and the Treasurer of this Khubusana region. It was very interesting. It is very interesting. And andazi. Look, this has taken a lot of time. Side safika. Okay, I'm expecting a meeting at 9. Kude kwalapha. Madoda, kudala. Siqula. silwela le nkomfa imane utshintshwa guqulwa kule nto yaseRhubusane, but ke ekugqibeleni kude kwalunga. Siyabulela mani ngenkokheli ndiyafuna mna ukutsho uba uMabuyane uDiya, the chairperson of the province in the Eastern Cape, i-ANC. Bendithe izolo ndipost status ndithe, let me read the status for you. I said about Mabuyane, it's the last status I posted. Mabuyane and Malema can lead this country. I'm seeing same traits and I'm not against them. Ibhunguza works. Ibhunguza works. Bhunguza lami ndawulibeka emagxeni ami. Hayi tata uthetha unothanda ndakududla uba ubhadlanga. That's what I feel Mabuyane is. That's what I feel I know Julius Malema is. So I'm not against their leadership. Dictatorship form of leadership is somewhat good for us. Igama lam ke ndingubhuti Lu, uwinile uMaprince. Of course I did tell you that hayi kona ndinexhala. No, sorry, bendinexhala noko ngoku siwinile. Mandibulele kakhulu ke madoda. Igama lam ndingulunga Ngcabashe, ngubhuti Lu ke kuni, unolali wekunqayi. Until next time, maske sijonge ubana iyawuzala ngobone kule sikuyo ke ngoku yale nto idibene nale nantsika. Just to close the 2 positions, rather the 3 positions ezizawuba contested: the Treasury Deputy Secretary, Deputy Chairperson wale region yaseRhubusane. Inkosi.